Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Finding unique elements in an array in Java, a comprehensive guide. This tutorial delves deep into various methods for identifying and extracting unique elements from a Java array. We'll cover approaches ranging from basic iteration and comparison to leveraging data structures like HashSet and more advanced techniques using streams. Each method will be explained with detailed code examples, performance considerations, and use case scenarios. Understanding the problem. The problem of finding unique elements in an array boils down to identifying elements that appear only once in the array. Duplicate elements are disregarded. The challenge lies in efficiently comparing each element to all other elements and determining its frequency. Methods for finding unique elements. Here are several techniques for extracting unique elements from a Java array, along with detailed explanations and code examples. 1. Brute force approach, nested loops. Asterisk concept asterisk This is